Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to be showing you how I make omena, and this recipe I got from my grandmother, so I'll do it the traditional way. It's super sweet. I will not use any spices at all. I'll just use milk to make it creamy, and I'll also use lemon to kind of make the smell to disappear a little bit, so make sure you tag along. This is my omena. Also I'll be preparing these. First of all is to wash the omena. What is left, I've already tafuted the good ones. These are bad omena over here, so I'm just going to put them aside. At this point I'm going to wash my omena, and I'm washing it using cold water. You can wash the omena using hot water as most people prefer, but cold water works just as fine for me because there's no smell afterwards and everything is just okay. So I'm going to give it thorough rinses because we don't want to have that smell in our food later on. So after washing, this is what I have over here. I'm going to put this on fire and let it boil for like an hour or so. Then I'll come back and show you every step of the way. So please don't go away. I already have my vegetables. I've cut them already. I have my milk over here. Everything is in place. As this boils, I'm going to cut my tomatoes and my onions, so stay tuned. So I'm going to be using one onion, as you can see here, and one tomato. Then I'll use my chili. I want that sourness in my omena, so these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using, plus the milk and salt and oil. That is it. So let's chop these up. So these here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using, so I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so I'm back. It's almost 1 hour 30 minutes later. My omena is still in the fire. I've just been adding water to it, but as at now it's ready to be fried and all that good stuff. So back to our omena on the fire. So here it is. Oops. So I'm going to take it from here, then I'm going to pour this water. I'm going to wash it again. Then after washing it, I'll just fry the onions and tomatoes. Then I'll put my omena in there, add clean water, add some lemon for it to boil for a little while. After it has boiled, that's when I'm going to add my milk.